Yo, good morning. Monday, 9:22, 8 minutes to the open. I had to get this video in real quick. It was a very busy morning, very busy weekend. But I'm always trying to deliver that content. I definitely wanted to get this out to you guys so you have a visual of what we're seeing. We're gapping up again above the previous day high. 4 sessions in a row from last week had the same setup and were all pretty powerful trend days. So, two things I want to focus on real quick is this 289.11 level, as you can see here, and here, and here, and here, and here. This is a key resistance, and if you look down in the 5 minute where we're trading now, it's kind of been battled all morning. So right now, it actually looks like we're trying to squeeze above this. We have our MACD coming out of the down red side to the upside, above our 13 EMA, above our 5 minute Bollinger Band, the middle one, and we're looking to open up and continue higher. Now, if that's the case and we hold this 289.11 and can break it, I would go with calls. Um, Obviously would be stopped out if this breaks or the gap fills at 280, whatever this is, 288.74, something like that. But if you look here at 289.11, we have no resistance until 290.44 on the upside. So what I want to focus in on, if that is the case and we do get up to that 290.44, look where this top Bollinger Band is at. 290.41. Now, if you guys trade with the Bollinger Bands, you know that they can be very important in our trading. I use them because I think they're great. As you go back to here, late April into early May, we tested the top and, we held it. And then that was ultimately the case to reverse our trend. There's going to be two ways that this could go. This is going to either be rejected by this top Bollinger Band, or we're going to open up a new trend, as it kind of looks like we're trading sideways here between the two Bollinger Bands. They've sort of flattened out, but the trading range has been pretty wide. So this is the main reason I'm focusing on the SPY again this week, is because of the trading range. But we're either going to overextend out of this Bollinger Band, kind of like we did down here, and show an overextended move, or even down here, and possibly get rejected at this level. If you guys look, we're really not too far off from the highs. It's pretty crazy to think about after 20-point drop, and then now we're back near it in 4 or 5 sessions. It's pretty ridiculous. But if this level rejects at 289.11, we'll most likely trade back down here to 287.52, which is right around the close for Friday's session, and then we'll figure it out from there. All of our downside levels are listed in here. 287.52, and then down to 286.63. But I want to focus on these main ones here from 290.44, 289.11, 287.52, and then 286.63. Now, this is just for the main first couple sessions of the week. Obviously, we can't really tell, and I don't want to plan that far ahead and try to predict things, but that's what we have in focus right now. Pre-market, again, still battling here. So what are we going to do? Are we going to trade and hold this level and go towards that 290.44? Or are we going to reject this and, fill that gap? We are gapping up above a previous day's high. Definitely bullish. So keep this in mind that that setup has worked the last 4 sessions in a row. Now, we have had some nice buying volume, and we had a bullish engulfing on the weekly chart. So we're also gapping up above on the weekly, and that is another bullish sign. So, we're going to have to, I guess, wait and be a little bit patient. You could probably roll with calls if we open up above this level, low risk possibly, maybe small size, and monitor that play for, continuation or lack of on a gap and go. So I wanted to get this video out. It's short, 4 or 5 minutes. Strictly on the SPY today. I'm going to have another video out either tonight or tomorrow morning, focusing on maybe some other stocks if we get some on the watch list. But for right now, I really like the setup on the SPY into today's session. I think this is going to be a fun week again. I think every week's fun, but we are, seeing some wider trading ranges, which means trading the SPY is one of our specialties. So that's what you get when you come work with me. I love trading the SPY, and I feel like my skills of analyzing and setting up a game plan on it are above the competition, and I want to provide that value to you guys as well, so you can see how efficient it can be. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in chat. Have a good morning.